Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 26 2022 and the time is 9:17. Um, Hope, as I mentioned before that, wait for the opportunity. You'll be getting the offer in mid caps and small caps. If you buy one, get one free, and that is the offer which was happening today, which actually happened today, and we don't know whether it's going to happen more. But one thing for sure, October end, I think there will be a possibility that if you buy one, three free. And that is what I'm expecting in all these counters. There will be a pullback rally from here. That is what I'm expecting, in Nifty and Bank Nifty. They are clearly managing the index, nothing else. And most of the, mid caps and small caps are literally bleeding. And many stocks are down even 80%, 70%, 60%. So anything below 50%, it is an offer, buy one, get one free. And that's offer which is going on now. And I've clearly made a video in the month of February uh, and told very clearly that cash is the king in the month of February, and clearly said don't invest anything at that point of time, even if there is a pullback rally also. And I've told them in the video that you will get a better opportunity, and the first opportunity, buy one get one free, happened today. Let's see whether we are going to get buy one get three free in the month of October 2022. That's how it is. And today nothing happened in the market. Even I was not there for the whole day. So our number 15,376, which was the exact support which we took, which it took last week. And I made the video also. You can go back and check that number. And this week, that was the pivot. And today it was trying to break that number for the whole day, but it is unable to break that number and close above that. That was a beautiful number, and coming week it's going to be an exciting. And tomorrow is the mega yearly date, 21st June 2022. Okay, you can take this date, go back and do this homework. What all happened on these dates in the last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years? Just mark the high and low of this date, which is 21st December, and see the magic how market responded to these dates. March 21st, June 21st, September 22nd, and December 21st. So now the second big date is happening, and already the first date of the year is already happened on March 21st. Kindly go mark the high and low of March 21st and see the magic what happened on that date. And now the second yearly date, it's coming tomorrow. So mark the high and low of this date, and you will see some kind of a miracle in this date. It may be a bottom formation or a top formation, we don't know, but this date high and low is the key. And I'm expecting a bottom should form tomorrow or day after or 23rd. Even 24th was a astro date. But anyway, 22nd is the key which I'm watching out for, and especially for Bank Nifty also, because this is a cyclic day for Bank Nifty on 22nd. So watch out. So it was exciting to watch from tomorrow how the market is going to behave, and whether there will be a small kind of pullback rally in mid caps also, because the way in which metals are cracking, God only knows where it's going to stand. But expecting some kind of a reversal, and I've already mentioned why. Not because of any trend line, not because of any other analysis, just because of the observation on fortune signals. And that is what even happened today. And for 17th was the minor trend change date for Nifty. Nifty came down today all the way very near to yesterday's low. And from there, it picked up and went up and closed at 17,350. And our number was 17,376. And it went and touched more than 4 times this number and closed a little below. And I've already given the weekly numbers. No, today I was not there in the full day, so that's why I'm not able to publish my weekly numbers. I've put it in my PPT, and the width is very narrow. So I'm expecting some kind of a mega move in the next 2 days time. It may be even for the expiry also. So we can keep it 3 days. Will be a gala time for us. So we'll be catching the trend, as I already mentioned in my video, that we will go long only if we get a genuine buy on 15 minutes in fortune signals. Till that time, there is no buy for us. We will use our 907 number to do our intraday stuff. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Let's go to the PPT. So this was the weekly observation. This was the weekly observation. So this is the number, 15,376 is the pivot for the week, and Bank Nifty is not even went and touched this number. Okay, so it got restricted many times in this number and came and closed little below. And this I've already explained everything in my video. And today we moved 20% from balance advantage funds to aggressive funds today. So we have another 80% to move, and we are holding, and we are expecting some kind of a downside will come in the future. So we'll be investing the entire stuff in the later point of time. So we moved only 20% today. Rest 80% we are holding in BAF fund, liquid. Okay, so now let's go to weekly numbers. I've already made here. So this is my weekly number. So if you see the width of these two is very, very small, very, very small. Even, for Nifty, it is only 100 points, and Bank Nifty spot is 400 points, and Bank Nifty future, it is only 90 points to 100 points. Okay, so use this. It will be a mega rally. It may be even 1,000 points more in Bank Nifty in the next 2 days time on the upper side, in case if it breaks and closes about 32,970 for 30 minutes. If it breaks below this number and close below for 30 minutes, maybe you'll be seeing 750 points on the downside. So tomorrow, the first 15 minutes high and low will be the key for tomorrow. And today, inside our pattern in Nifty and Bank Nifty more or less little thing, but Nifty was in a clear consolidation, in a day candle. It was a clear inside bar, and if you take the 1 hour candle also, more than 12 candles are within the one candle high, which was happened on 17th morning. So any side the bust is going to come most probably tomorrow or on Wednesday. So watch out, enjoy it, don't miss this move. It's going to be a good move. Mostly around 250 points move also will happen on the single day also. So now the exciting week I've already mentioned, because of we have 3 combination days, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. So now bulls has to pray whatever bottom formation happening in these dates, whichever is the extreme bottom in these 3 days, has to be held in the coming days to see some kind of revival in the coming weeks to go. So I'm expecting some kind of a pullback, and I've already explained why based on fortune signals. Even if you go, maybe I'll go to the chart later. Okay, so this is what bulls has to pray for tomorrow, from tomorrow to 23rd. Let's see what happens in the next 3 days time. So this I've already explained you very clearly before itself. And tomorrow, Glenmark, LTI, and Seram Transport are having their trend change dates tomorrow. So watch out for this, and you can, these two are yearly dates. Kindly mark these two companies, today's high and low. See the magic. Just see the magic. And see, this was given an amazing return as of now. This 5 stocks, because yellow color, it's a yearly date. It's a given phenomenal return. And Grasim was, stuck within that range of 30 rupees, 1340 to 1310. That was the high which it made on 6th, June. See how it is respecting these 2 highs on the closing basis. It was a miracle to see. So these 6 companies, you can have a watch. And tomorrow, Glenmark, LTI is having a yearly date tomorrow. LTI is having a yearly date tomorrow. So watch out for LTI. Okay, so now I have not changed anything in my numbers, because today nothing was happened. So all the numbers are same. So I have not done anything, no changes at all in my numbers. Okay, just I've added Nifty futures numbers only. Spot I have not changed at all. Okay, so now again all the 4 in bearish, and this one intraday is in bullish. So what you can do tomorrow, if the Nifty future goes above 15,390, you can simply buy. You can simply buy with the stop loss of this. If it breaks this, you can simply go short with the number of this. But normally we use our own 907 number as well as the 930 numbers in Nifty future. And Bank Nifty future, same. If it breaks this number, it is bullish till it holds this number. If it breaks this number, simply go short. Stop loss is this number. That's all. Okay. So nothing happened today. Even the sell is not initiated or buy is not initiated. Even in Nifty, sell is not initiated or buy is not initiated. So today it was a sleeping day. Let's see, it is going to be a running day tomorrow. Okay, so that's all to go, and we will go to this graph today. Graph. So This is what I said. Till it holds this sell candle low, nothing to worry for Bank Nifty based on fortune signals. No trend line, no Ichimoku, no pitchfork. It's a simple observation which we use to trade our market as well as to take positional calls also. So this low was held. Let's see what happens. And this was a more or less a indecisive candle. Let's see, what is going to happen tomorrow. And again, Bank Nifty, it is holding, and Bank Nifty still on a weekly basis, it is bullish, and it is holding this low. It is holding this low. And if you go to Nifty Spot, this was the number which is 15,376, and this was the morning candle. 20th candle came down, went up, touched that number exactly, again came down, went and touched on the closing and closed to below. See how beautifully this numbers works. And this we are giving it one day before. So let's see about 376. Yes, definitely, it is bullish. Let's see what's going to happen in tomorrow's trading day. So thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decisions. And if you go to my YouTube channel, this was the video which I put on 27th February 2022. And the topic is whether Indian indices bottomed out. That's a question. And I clearly mentioned in this video, we will be seeing more and more and more and more pain, and cash is the king. And offer also will be available, and the offer was available on June 20th in mid caps and small caps. So you can go back and watch this video whether Indian indices bottomed out or not. And there is one more video before. I put two videos on that. Kindly watch this video. This was a very, very powerful video. The power of 18. The power of 18 was the video. Kindly go and watch this video. After seeing all this, you will keep fundamental thing as an aside before judging anything, before taking any decisions in the market. Amazing video. Kindly go and watch. If you want to learn something on the market apart from fundamental perspective, how to see the market on the number games. This is a power of 18 video. You can go and watch this video also. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Good night.